The Samsung A72 is a pretty good phone, and today we'll be doing a screen replacement tutorial. Step 1. First, turn off the phone. Take out the magic self-heating pad and place it on the back cover for about 10 minutes. Use a blade to create a small gap, then slide a card along the edges to pry open the cover. The back cover is plastic, so it's easier to remove compared to glass, which can easily shatter. However, avoid using metal tools as they can scratch the cover. Once the cover is off, unscrew the 15 Phillips 1.5 screws. These screws are quite tight, and a standard screwdriver might not be strong enough. This is when we bring out our GTN30S2 precision screwdriver made from S2 steel, which effortlessly loosens these screws. The right tool is essential, as screws on recent Samsung models tend to be quite tight. A poor quality screwdriver can strip the screws, making the job much harder. If that happens, even our GTN30 might struggle to remove them. After removing all screws, use tweezers to pry off the speaker cover and the mainboard cover. Disconnect the battery and pry off the mainboard ribbon cable. There's a black Phillips 1.5 screw below the mainboard camera, remove it. Don't forget to take out the SIM tray as well. Disconnect the other connectors and the camera, and remove the mainboard. For the bottom half, there's a similar black screw securing the charging port board. Take it out along with the antenna flex cable. Next, remove the fingerprint sensor, which is held in place by double-sided adhesive. Be cautious here, as the ribbon cable is delicate. The vibration motor also has adhesive underneath, so you'll need to use some force to pry it off. The last remaining part is the battery. Since we're only replacing the screen, we'll reuse the old battery, so it's important to remove it without damaging it. Start by applying a bit of alcohol to dissolve the adhesive. The pry tool is quite soft, but the battery remains firmly in place. The magic self-heating pad still has some warmth, so let's try heating it again. Use a plastic pry tool, but this doesn't seem to work. Finally, we have to use a metal pry tool. Just be extra careful, apply light pressure, and work around the edges gradually. The battery loosens up, and we carefully remove it. You can feel that the double-sided adhesive has lost most of its stickiness, and the alcohol played a big role in loosening it. Now that everything's disassembled, we're left with the screen assembly, which is the same as the new part we bought. We'll use this for the demonstration and reassemble all the components. Reinstallation is relatively straightforward. Be mindful of the placement of the two black screws and connect the battery last. Make sure each connector is pressed in securely and aligned correctly. If the battery or vibration motor doesn't stick well, you can add a bit of double-sided tape to keep them from moving. And that's it, the installation is complete. Thanks for watching. All the tools used in this video are included in the PT1171N1 Professional Phone Repair Toolkit. Feel free to check it out.